Today's video from CountLab, we're taking a look at how to use the Subtotal button to get into the registration mode on your CountLab 7S, 8S or 9S register. In this video I'm using the 9S model, but the process is the same across the range. So the 9S, 8S and 7S tills do not have till mode keys. So on old-fashioned tills you'd have a key that you would then turn to the X position or the Z position or the programming position to access different modes of the till. On the CountLab 9S range you have the Subtotal button instead. So on this example I'm on a screen that I don't recognise and I just want to get into the registration mode, so all I do is press Subtotal and that brings me to the setting that says cash register at the top, and then it's got a list of all the different modes that you can go into, and all you do for registration for the sales mode, you just highlight line 2 registration and press the cash button. Once it's got that display on the screen, you can then type in an amount of money into the different departments and then ring a sale through. So I'll just go through that again. The process was press Subtotal, and then when registration is highlighted line 2, you simply press cash total, and that takes you into the normal screen where you've got input, escape to menu, the date and time and 0.00. That means you're in the sales screen and you can start processing sales transactions. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the 9S range and other CountLab cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.